In this video, I will be showing you how to delete chat history on the Deepseek app. Let's get started. First, I'll direct my attention to the bottom left corner of the Deepseek chat screen where my profile name is displayed. I'll click directly on my profile name, Diane May, to open up the account menu. From the list of options that appears, I'll choose and click on Settings. This brings up a centralized settings dialog box right in the middle of the screen. Inside this window, we have several tabs on the left menu. I'll navigate down and click on the third option, which is labeled Data. Once the data panel loads, I can see a few settings related to privacy and information management. Right at the bottom of these settings, there is a section called Delete All Chats. To proceed, I'll go ahead and click on the red Delete All button located to the right. A confirmation prompt immediately pops up to warn me that all chats will be cleared and cannot be recovered, and that any shared links from these chats will be disabled. Since I am ready to permanently remove my history, I will confidently click on the red Delete All Chats button. At the top of the settings box, a green success message slide in appears confirming it has been successfully deleted. Now I can close out of this settings dialog box by clicking the little X icon in its top right corner. Back on the main interface, looking at the left-hand sidebar under today's list, we can see that it now reads, No chat history, meaning our previous conversations have been completely cleared out. To start fresh, I will click on the main text box at the bottom that says Message Deepseek. I'll type out a brand new prompt. For this demonstration, I'll type, Teach me the basics of negotiation and how I can use it in everyday life. Once I finish typing, I will click the blue Send button, which is the upward pointing arrow on the right side of the text box. Immediately, the system begins generating a comprehensive and structured response about negotiation basics, beginning with Part 1. The 4 pillars of every negotiation. As the text streams in, I will scroll down to read through the helpful points, starting with BATNA, which stands for Best Alternative to a Negotiated Agreement, followed by separating the people from the problem, aiming for the Zone of Possible Agreement or ZOPA, and understanding the power of trading. Continuing down the page, we also see Part 2. The 3-step script for any everyday ask, which outlines steps like hook, open question, and trade. Below that is Part 3. How to use this in 5 specific everyday scenarios, detailing common situations with bosses, partners, kids, vendors, and even ourselves. Finally, the script scrolls past the golden rule to remember and suggestions for homework, showing the full, clean layout of our newly initiated chat window. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.